welcome to your March 2022 construction update for Royal Palm Residences, brought to you by the P6 Group right here in the heart of beautiful downtown Boca Raton. Just behind me is our active construction site. You can see from above, right, that we're going underground right now, and we'll be coming up to create the 3 luxury towers. At present, we are nearing sellout at this beautiful building. We have opportunities for a 3-bedroom plus den starting at around $3 million, all the way up to a combined residence at 5,000 square feet with 4-bedroom plus den around the $7 million mark. Royal Palm Residences will be delivering sometime in 2024 and will definitely join our lineup of top luxury condominium developments here in the downtown corridor. Thank you so much for joining us for this construction update at Royal Palm Residences. I hope if you have any questions about new development in the area, you'll consider me a resource. I'm very easy to find by phone at 561-500-7465 or hit me up on social. I'm at Rochelle.TV on all the platforms. I'm Rochelle LeCavalier, bringing you the very best of Boca Raton luxury real estate. See you next time. Thanks for watching my show. If you like what you saw, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that like button. It would mean a lot to me personally. If there's something specific you'd like to see, leave a note down in the comments for me. I'd be really interested to know what you think. If you'd like to see more, take a look at some of these other videos. See you next time.